Kia ora, I'm the Bento Buster at Kiwi in Japan, and today I'm going to show you some awesome fried rice. But it's fried rice with a twist. Yes, it includes this, a cup of cup noodles. That's right, I'm going to show you how to make some cup noodle fried rice. And trust me, it tastes fantastic. Now first get hold of some Nissin cup noodle. That sounds so strange. Cup noodles. Okay, now what flavor should you use? Any flavor is okay. This one's called red seafood. It's very spicy and it contains all the flavor I need to make a very lovely fried rice. This dish is super simple and only contains 4 ingredients, and that's excluding the water and the oil. Okay, we have to empty the contents of this cup noodle into this plastic bag, seal it up, and then give it a good smashing. Yep, go ahead and smash away to your heart's content, because we need to break these noodles up into small little pieces. Yep, that's right, noodles. There are lots of noodles in this cup noodle. Why do they call it cup noodle? I have no idea. And when they start to look like this, you can stop smashing. Yep, stop smashing and start to put them into that little cup again. Yep, that's right, you're doing a good job there. In fact, you're doing a very good job because there's no spillage at all. Okay, now the next step is to pour in some boiling hot water, just enough to cover those noodles. Then we're going to seal them up and let them steep for about 3 minutes. Then, after the 3 minutes are up, the noodles should have absorbed that water and become nice and fluffy. And today's cup noodle stopper is Woody from Toy Story. Thank you for coming on the show today, Woody. Much appreciated. I guess it's pretty obvious that I'm a one-man show with a very low or actually non-existing budget. But one day I'll make it big, you just watch. Okay, time's up, so let's check out our noodles. Great, they have absorbed that water and become nice and fluffy. That's perfect. Okay, now it's time to start up the wok, put some oil in it and get cooking. And to my wok, I'm going to add 1 egg. I'm going to let that fry for a moment, then I'm going to give it a good scrambling. Okay, so the egg is scrambled, now it's time to add our rice. These packs of microwavable rice are perfect to make fried rice. Now you don't have to heat them up, they are good to go just as they are. Why are they so good? Well, the rice inside is pre-cooked and it's dry. And when it comes to making fried rice, the drier the rice, the better. And just look at that. See what I mean? Okay, so the egg and rice are nicely incorporated, so I'm just going to move that to the side. And now it's time to add the cup noodle. And the cup noodle, of course, is packed with flavor and little seafoody ingredients. And finally, I'm going to add some finely chopped green onions. And guess what? That's all the ingredients we need to make some extremely flavorful cup noodle fried rice. And come on, just look how vivid and fluffy this rice is. It looks incredible. Now just check out the view from the very low budget Bento Buster drone. And as you can see, the rice from those microwavable packs is so easy to work with. It's really fantastic. Yep, it's so good it gets the Bento Buster's 2 thumbs up of approval. How about that? Okay, now it's time to plate this thing up. And I'll just give it a couple of taps for good luck. And what do we have? Ah, look at that. That looks fantastic if I don't say so myself. And to finish it off, I'll give it a wee sprinkling of green onions. And there you go, guys. Cup noodle fried rice. What do you think? And to be more precise, it's spicy hot seafood cup noodle fried rice. Well, I think this little guy's impressed, but hey, let's see what it tastes like, eh? Now just look at that, you've got your rice with little bits of noodles scattered everywhere. There's some egg and some green onion, and some crab and the other seafood bits and pieces. Yummo! Oh yes, that is good. It's so good I'm going in for more. This noodle fried rice has tons of flavour and the texture is amazing. With the addition of the noodles, it gives it some kind of extra balance. It's really, really cool. And despite the very few ingredients, there is tons of flavour. And that's of course due to the contents of that cup noodle. And as you know, there are so many flavors out there, you can really have fun when you start making this at home. Yep, all the flavoring you need is inside that cup of cup noodles. It's a no-brainer. And the combination of the rice and noodles really work well together. The final product is delicious and I really recommend that you give it a go. Now you may be wondering, can you use any other type of cup noodles? And the answer is yes, you can. If you dig a particular brand of cup noodles, then I'm sure you're going to dig the fried rice version. But of course you won't know until you give it a go, so get out there and get cooking. I'm the Bento Buster, catch you later.